name is Jorge Gaviria. I'm founder of Masienda along with my co-founder Kate Barney. We are purveyors of Mexican landrace corn, and we are working directly with farms in Mexico to basically purvey directly to chefs, craft brewers, and distillers. Masafest is a celebration of all things good corn. So there's two major components to Masafest. The first is a daytime portion, which is really all about street food and kind of just the organic community that exists in the Rockaways. And we kind of wanted to really bring it all in with a final concluding dinner. We thought it would be a great idea to go fishing, so we're here today about to go catch some fish in the Rockaway waters. We're not really sure what we're going to get. I think ultimately what we catch today is going to directly inform the menu, and we're really excited for this dinner. It's going to be badass.
My name is Cornelia, and I am the Corn Queen, and we are celebrating the first annual Masafest in Rockaway Beach.
We're doing fish tacos, and we've used the tortilleria nixtamal corn tortillas. I guess Masienda and Rockaway Taco just kind of came to be as a natural gravitation, and Masafest kind of came up as an event for the summertime here right on the beach. Summer here is a huge thing for the neighborhood. Everybody in the neighborhood sort of just kind of thrives on this type of energy. It's all you could ask for.
We're using purple corn from Jalisco, and we're doing kind of like an aguachile, which is the sort of ceviche with octopus and some heirloom tomatoes, nice serrano peppers, a little avocado. It just so happened that we're planning on opening a restaurant here in New York as well, so the name of the restaurant is Cosme, which is a market that my grandfather used to take me in Mexico City. Even though the restaurant hasn't opened yet, we already bought the corn from him.
We came in to grill some corn. We just serve our grilled corn with homemade aioli, tajin, and cotija cheese. It's just great, you know, to always help, you know, the local farmers, and so we can develop, you know, some great networks, you know, too. I was a farmer before I actually started, you know, cooking, so I know how, you know, the small farmers feel about, you know, getting their product out there. Something that you have to be proud of.
The most exciting thing for me is to see the maize that I introduced them to, the actual maize that I handed over to them, to see it posted on the cards and to see it in dishes. It's very exciting.
So the whole idea that Jorge and Kate had for Masafest was that we cook a meal inspired in corn, and we thought, being at the beach and Contramar being a seafood restaurant, we had to have seafood, absolutely, with the corn. So they suggested going fishing to get the fish for the dinner. It was an extraordinary idea to go fish the fish that we're actually eating today.
We're doing a dinner, a collaboration with Contramar, Toro, and Estela restaurant in New York. We're doing some tostadas, we're doing some salads, and we're gonna grill some fish. Some stripers that were caught right off the coast here. And it's called pescado de la talla. It's a traditional dish from Contramar.
We're doing a melon salad, some basil. We're doing a gem lettuce salad with some dried seafood and creme fraiche. It's another day at the beach, you know?
We're doing the itacates, cheese masa with chicharron.
When Jorge and I founded Masienda, one of our main goals was to always remember and focus on the pleasure that comes from eating delicious corns. And to have this meal happening here now is accomplishing just that. Someone just told me that they felt like they were in Acapulco, and I feel like that was a great goal of Masafest, to have this be a beachside celebration and to sort of transport people to enjoy these ingredients, and to have that feeling here at the Rockaways is really exciting.